ra local zong zong te thin lung takin kan lo lom chewa mangai na nen chi bai kan lo buk vek chewa zanina FFAD kan man theina chan toi te hi han soi lok ta ila kumsang khat zakwa song kwa le pakhat khan Queen vocalist Freddie Mercury hi AIDS na bronchopneumonia awangi na borala chumi sha deng nan chuan a band member Ladam Brian le Roger te tin a band manager Jim Beach te malak na in Freddie for a day hi buat sai chin ania kovel mun shang shanga he hunian mang china tin henga an sum mu chua hi HIV le AIDS na veite tan an hlan vek chin ani zanina hian tlom nga ya ticket min le sak tu te zong zong hian HIV le AIDS na veite chan puina konga tam takin min chan pui ni ti sia in chuang takin he zan hun hi mang turin du sakna kan hlan chewani Tichuan Mizoram ai ro chuan kumsang ni le som pahnia manchanania zanina hian kan zinga abultung tupa joral te nge po oma ani po live in a perform dona kan hun min hon sang nge dona tichuan joral te kan som main kan musician te in Malaysia tirna kan nelu konga kan drummer te hi Dave le Suraj ania Dave tiro kongai melodin saksela kudi bengang kan guitarist te Ephraim le Isaac ania this one can basis puata ale alom mo me kan keyboardist hi maki male bimala te ania then zanina hian zai thiam Mizoram chunga zai thiam mai ba ka rocker ania ya cha anom chuang lawang ti chiaute anon perform dona musician te po acha chiao than chwa ania chuwang chona cha le cha in hun min man pui don ania hun nuam tak kan mang nge yang ti kha be seita ila helai hun local te point kan dancing shoes kan bun nge ka ringa chuwang chuan lam kan phala lam lo ero kan phal lo thung ani ole kan hun chan nan joral te zai torin lo soma
In my defense, what is there to say? All the mistakes we made must be faced today. It's not easy now, knowing where to start, while the world we love tears itself apart. I'm just a singer with a song. How can I try to right the wrong? For just a singer with a melody, I'm caught in between with a fading dream. In my defense, what is there to say? We destroy love, it's our way. We never listen at all, never face the truth. And like a passing song, love is here and then it's gone. I'm just a singer with a song. How can I try to right the wrong? For just a singer with a try? Do we live or die? Oh, help me, God. Please help me.
Love ô giờ nó lộc cao giống giống thế, in giờ vai chua, cần sai kính lộc tắc thế rồi em thua lộc cao giống giống thế in giờ vai chua, lộc thua xe, alo na cụ tin bé chim chim thế cần giờ vai. I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far
love of my life, don't leave me. You've broken my heart, and now you leave me. Love of my life, can't you see? Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Don't take it away from me, because you don't know what it means to me. Love of my life, you leave me. You've broken my heart, you've broken my heart, and now desert me. Love of my life, can't you see? Bring it back, back. Don't take it away from me, because you don't know what it means to me. You will remember when this is gone over, and everything will fade away. When I grow older, I would be there at your side to remind you how I still love you. Bring it back, don't take it away from me, because you don't know what it means to me. You will remember when this is gone over, come on, and everything will fade away. When I get older, I would be there at your side to remind you how I still love you. I still love you. Hurry back, don't take it away from me, because you don't know what it means to me. Love of my life, love of my life, love of my life. Moment.
Ole in zabain ready for a day hun bang tura ron kal zong zong te chibai ka buk chewa Mizoram HIV positive te Tana Vocational Training Center Tana in ke te ron pen chhuaka I chanpui na te min pe ka wangin kan lom em a chuti rualin in hun lutak le in sum le pai te seng in sum le pai te senga thil sang sanga te tianga a hlotlin na kan hu hian alomum kan ti em bokani Mizorama HIV shik apung na sa em a ala ve lo te na ven him na chazok inven him na chazok kan nei theina turin zaina hian ril ruthar helai huna local te hianin puchawila ka du em a chuti rualin helai huna ka positive puite local khom te enge ka cha du chu ke ma chang hian he nat na shikhi he HIV shikhian he HIV shikhi tu ma in an kai lovang tia zani na hian in tiam thar le turin ka positive buite ka somin ka cha du boka tin HIV positive te tam tak mi te sia ta le in puang darngam lo te an la oma chung te po chuan ina midang te ta na I tangkai zo ka ke an ron pen ve theina turin I zani na tang hian helai local khom te hian ke min pen pui thei ani ti ka sia I kan tung kam khat hianin I enge rilu dan na tam tak min enge an min thlen sakrwalin I kan tan chuan himna I enge lomna re tak damna min thlen sak thei tu ani ti kha min shat sak ula kha du tak mewa tin sanina kan local khom chan I khovel shat po amiro pui zai thiam le la phwa thiam octavely sathei Freddie Mercury shat rengna hun kan man na hian him le him taka in man theina turin ka du sakna sang ber ka hlana cheu kalomin
lòng nè.
Sammy was low, just watching the show over and over again. Knew we were the same, she'd made up his mind to leave his dead life behind. His boss said to him, "Oh, you better begin to get those crazy notions right out of your head. Sammy, do you think that you should have been sleeping at the Emerald Bar? Spread your wings and fly away, fly away, far away. Spread your little wings and fly away, fly away, far away. Pull yourself together, 'cause you know you should do better. And that's because you're a free man. He spends his evenings alone in hotel rooms, keeping his thoughts to himself, keeping leaving soon, wishing it was miles and miles away. Nothing in this world, no nothing, will make him say yeah. Since he was young, had no luck at all. Nothing came easy to him. Now you're the same. He'd made up his mind. This could be my last chance. His boss said to him, "Now listen, boy, you're always dreaming. You got no real ambition. You won't get very far. Sammy, do you think that you should have been happy at the Emerald Bar? So honey, spread your wings and fly away, fly away, far away. Spread your little wings and fly away, fly away, far away. Pull yourself together, 'cause you know you should do better. And that's because you're a free man. What are we waiting for? Random places, I guess we know the score. On and on, does anybody know what we are for? Another mindless it anymore. Show must go on. Show must go on. Inside my heart is breaking. My makeup may be flaking, but my smile still stays alive. Whatever happened, I live
zanin hi Freddie Mercury yan night ania ma se kumtira min boral sa ta cancer wanga boral ta David Bowie songwriter mi bon kami ka himilai dedicate kan do atuna Freddie Mercury le David Bowie le sakdun under pressure Stephen Nelson Got to be cool, relax, and get hip, and get on my track. Take a backseat, ride. Take a long, long ride on my motorbike until I'm ready. Give a little bit more. Wow! Got to be cool, relax, get here, and get on my track. Take a back seat, take a long, long ride on my motorbike, 'cause I ain't ready for this crazy little thing called love. That thing called love. I can't handle it. That thing called love. I must get around to it. I ain't ready. There's a little thing called love. There's a little thing called love. Crazy little thing called love. Crazy little thing called love. I'm outside, huh? Oh, won't you take me home tonight? Oh, down beside that red fire light. Oh, he's gonna get it on. Got fat bottom girl to make the rockin' world go round. When I was just a skinny lad, never knew no good from bad, but I knew love before I left my nursery. Yeah. Left alone with big fat fatness, it was such a nothing then. You big woman, you made a bad boy out of me. Well, I've been sailing with my man across the water, across the land. Ain't no man in the fluzy on the way. Yeah. But that beauty in the sound went kind of smooth after a while. Take me to them dirty ladies every time. Oh, won't you take me home tonight? Sing it! Oh, down beside that red fire light. hian Freddie Mercury I ui ani chuan I thut pun atang khan lo ding ro le Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise playing in the streets, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, a big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place. Go! Lover, we will. Buddy, you're a young man, hot man, shouting on the streets, gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, a big disgrace. Sing it! We will rock you. Body and old man, poor man, pleading with the glass, gonna piece with piece. Someday you got mud on your face, a big disgrace. Somebody better put you back into your place. We will rock you. Sing it! Come on! We will rock you. We will rock you. Dust, another one bites the dust, another one bites the dust, another one bites the dust. Here we go. Speed walks slowly down the street with wind blowing down low. Ain't no sound but sound his feet. Machine guns ready to go. Are you ready? Hey, are you ready for this? Are you hanging on the edge of the seat? Out of the way, the bullets rip to the sound of beats. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Gonna lead you to another one bites the dust. How do you think you can get along? Take everything that I had and take me where I'm going. Are you happy? Are you satisfied? How long can you stand here? I don't know where the bullets rip to the sound of beats. Come on! Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Yeah, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust.
one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. There are plenty of ways you can hurt a man and bring him to the ground. You can beat him, you can cheat him, you can treat him bad, and leave him when he's down. Yes, I'm ready for you. You want to feed out of door when the bullet straight, repeat it to the sound beat. Another one bites the dust. Sing it. And another one gone, and another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Hey, gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. I want to break free. I want to break free. I want to break free from your lies. You're so self-satisfied. I don't need you. I got to break free. God knows I want to break free. Of falling in love, of falling in love for the first time. This time I know it's real. I've fallen in love, yeah. God knows I've fallen in love. It's strange, but it's true. Yeah, I can't get used to the